So yesterday was super interesting. And yeah, they say like no good deed goes unpunished or stuff like that. So I was in the kids centre, didn't get a lesson, had to help with some transporting the kids. When I get back to the kids centre, they said, please can you put ski boots on and go to the sales desk? And I was like, that's a weird one. So I put my ski boots on, I go to the sales desk say, hey, this lady here, she was in a level 4 lesson and the instructor thought she'd be better off in a lower lesson, but there was no instructor, so can you take her? And I was like, yeah, of course, yeah, no worries. So this lady is of the older generation, shall we say. I'd say she'd be between my mum and my nan's age. Not giving out people's ages, but I'd say that's where we're at. So she tells me that she used to do moguls, blacks, all of these good runs when she was like 17, and she hasn't skied for the last 2 years, but she goes out with her daughters and her sons, and she's having a great time. I was like, okay, cool. And I'll be like, okay, well, let's see where we go today. So I said, would you mind doing plaza? She goes, yeah, that'd be fun. So we go outside, we find their skis, we put them on, we decide that we're going down. I talk to her really nicely, softly, trying to reassure her because she's a little bit nervous. I said, okay, well, we're just gonna do a little pizza, or a big pizza, but we're gonna go very small, very slow, sorry. Big pizza, very slow. Watch me, copies me, and I was like, okay, we can just do this. This is like 1 mile an hour. We can just do this the whole way down through the bridge, and then we'll work on like some turning, and we'll make it introduce it a bit harder. So she goes, okay. She goes, oh, I feel a lot better. So I was like, all right, brilliant. So we literally go down, we're barely moving, I'm going next to her, and she does end up falling over. Gets a bit scared, weight goes back, falls over. I help her up, and we get under the bridge. So we haven't gone very far, and I said, I think the best course of action is that we take our skis off and we walk back up to the village, and then we go back on this gondola down to Happy Valley. Which she's not really up for. So it's like, okay, well, we've only got 2 options. We've got to ski the rest of this run, or we've got to get back down to Hummingbird. So we decided to go to Hummingbird, and it takes 90 minutes. 93 minutes to be exact. People were overtaking us walking, but I'm talking to this her all the time, I'm reassuring her. I'm just like, I can get you down, we've got a 2-hour lesson, I'll get you down. So in my head, I'm like, this is the worst thing in the world. But I later find out she's having a blast. She's telling me about her family, she's telling me about everything that she's doing, everything that she's done. We get down there, and now it's like my time to go to lunch. I really need to leave her, but she's like, oh, I don't know anyone. I was like, oh, okay, well, if you don't know anyone, I said, I'll have lunch here with you. So we have lunch in Happy Valley. More stories. I'm carrying her skis, her poles, her boots, did everything I could for her. And she goes, her friend rings her, and her friend goes, oh, hey, where are you? Can you meet me at the clock tower? So she goes, oh yeah, I'm just with my private instructor. He's carrying my skis, he's been really nice, he's been this and that and whatever, like every single thing possible, he is like doing it. So it's like, oh, okay, so I'm sort of smiling as she said it. It's like, oh, well, you know, I'm just being nice. So I carry on, just being myself, like doing everything for her. I bring her back up, bring her to the clock tower. When we get inside, there's this woman that's waiting for us, who's a friend, who is like wearing like a big white hoodie-ish, like a puffer jacket. And I was like, interesting. And she goes, oh, how did Sue get on? So I was like, oh, well, you know, we did this. As we get older, we forget things. We've got to sometimes go back to basics and stuff. She goes, oh, it's amazing, you got to do a run. And then Sue's like, oh yeah, he did this, he did that. He's like the best instructor ever. And this new lady, who's the friend, is like, oh, well, I'm going to put a good word in for you. I'm like, oh yeah, by all means, that's cool. I said, if you want to talk to the sales desk or talk to whoever, by all means, you can leave a review if you thought you had fun. And she goes, oh, well, actually, I'm part of, or either part of or friends with, or good friends with, the Schumer family, who I think own the resort. I'm pretty sure. She's like, oh, I'm going to put in a good word with you with them. I was like, yeah, that would be good. So, yes, it took us 93 minutes to get from that bridge the whole way down the village way. But on the plus side, probably the best review I'm ever going to get. From probably the highest person possible at this whole resort. Fun times. Anyway, I'm going to go in here and get changed because I've got one meeting and then hopefully some lessons. So I will catch you guys in a little bit. Someone's break their ankle there because that's icy as hell. Someone break their ankle. Jesus.